Hello students. So the today's chapter is chapter number 4, matrix decomposition, and the first topic under matrix decomposition is determinants. So what is a determinant? A determinant is a mathematical object in the analysis and solution of system of linear equations. Determinants are only defined for square matrices. Please remember, only square matrices where A belongs to R to the power n cross n. How to determine it? So how to define it or how to show it? So this is the notations to determine the determinant, that is determinant of A, or you have just placed the A between the two parallel lines. So if I want to find the determinant of say 2 cross 2 matrix, so let me take one example, say A, B, C, D. How will I find the determinant of 2 cross 2? It is nothing but determinant of A is equal to A into D minus B into C. So this is how you find the determinant of the 2 cross 2. How to find determinant of 3 cross 3? Suppose if I have A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, then what I will do, I will take the first row. Okay, first row I will take, or you can take any row to find out. I hope you know this. You've been studying this from your, maybe like 7th or 8th grade. Okay, so if I want to find, so modulus, determinant of A is equal to A into E into I minus F into H. Now you have something called as signing notations in terms of, a determinant. It is plus minus plus, right? So the second term will be minus B into D into I. So D into I minus F into G. Then I have C, right? Plus C into D into H minus E into G. So if you find, if you have numbers, you can get the value. Now, so that is about the determinant. We will see the properties of the determinant. So the first and foremost property is the multiplicative property, which is nothing but, say you have a determinant of two matrices A into B, then it is very easy to find the determinant of single matrix, determinant of A into determinant of B. Okay, now the second property, that is the invertible matrix, or if finding the inverse of the matrix. This is kind of important. Okay, so what is invertible matrix? So suppose you have, say, 2 cross 2 matrix. So for example, if I take 2 cross 2 matrix, the say A is equal to say 2 3 1 4. How will you find the inverse or the invertible of the matrix? It is nothing but, the step 1 is nothing but you are finding the determinant of the matrix A, or matrix A, which is what it is 2 into 4 minus 3 into 1. Right, so I'll get the answer as 8 minus 3 is 5. All right, now the formula for A inverse in terms of 2 cross 2 matrix is 1 by determinant of A into, so this is kind of little bit different from 3 cross 3. So let us see that. Suppose you have a matrix, say A, B, C, D. So let me write it down. So you have a matrix, say A, B, C, D. In general, I'm writing in general A, B, C, D. You just have to, so you have to interchange the matrix, the elements D and A, and just change the sign of B and C. Okay, interchange D and A and change the signs of B and C. All right, now this is the formula for 2 cross 2. Please remember. Okay, so if I substitute, it is 1 by 5. What is D? D is 4, and what is 8 is 2. Now change the signs and write for the D and B and C, that is minus 3 and minus 1. So I can write it is 4 by 5. I'm just multiplying it down, minus 1 by 5 and 2 by 5. So this is A inverse in terms of 2 cross 2. Now how will you find the inverse of the invertible matrix for the 3 cross 3 matrix? The 3 cross 3 matrix, it is kind of trickier or lengthier in terms of 2 cross 2. So let me take one example. Say you have A is equal to 2 0 1 1 3 2 and 0 1 1. Now if you want to find, say the first step is you're finding the determinant of A. So what is determinant of A? It is nothing but you're finding it It is 2 into 3 into 1 minus 2 into 1 minus 0 into 1 into 1 minus 2 into 0 plus 1 into 1 minus 3 into 0. So I will get the answer as say it will be 2 into 1 plus 1. So I'll get the answer as 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. Now I got the determinant as 3. Now the second step will be finding the minor. Okay, this is not there in the 2 cross 2 matrix. You are having exclusively for the matrix with the 2 3 cross 3 or n cross n. So minor of A is what? So let me draw a very big matrix. So it is nothing but you're finding the determinant of the if you hold the first first row and the first column, whatever the remaining elements you will get, you have to write it down. So it's 3 2 1 1. Next, second row first row second column, so what that will be, the remaining elements 1 2 0 1. Then first row and third column, that is the remaining elements. Similarly, you have to write the elements for all the terms, that is second row first column, second row second column, second row third column. Similarly, you write it down. So I'm writing it down for the second element, that is 2 1 0 1. Then second row third column will be this. Now I'm writing for third row first column, third row second column, third row third column. All right, now this is easy. You just have to find the determinant, right? So what will be the determinant you will get? So determinant will be nothing but, so I'll write it down. So minor of A is equal to is what you are finding the determinant. So determinant of 3 into the 3 minus 2, 1 minus 0, 1 minus 0, 0 minus 1, 2 minus 0, 2 minus 0, 0 minus 3, 4 minus 1, 6 minus 0. Now if I calculate, what I will get, the answer as minor of A is equal to, I will get the matrix. So it is 1 1 1 minus 1 2 2 minus 3 3 6. Now the third step is finding the cofactor. Cofactor is nothing but you are trying to change the signs, okay, indirectly, or if I say precisely, you are multiplying, say the matrix, you are multiplying. So if I want to find the cofactor of A, then you are just multiplying, say the matrix, say it is nothing but you are multiplying plus 1 minus 1 plus 1. Okay, plus 1 minus 1 plus 1, and whatever the plus sign is there, below that you will always write minus, and if a minus is there, you will write below plus 1. See, so you are multiplying this matrix with the minor of A. So what I will get, it is plus 1 into 1 is 1, minus 1 into 1 is minus 1, plus 1 into 1 is 1. Similarly, you multiply all the terms, so you will get as say it is 2, it is minus 2, it is minus 3 and 6. Now you have to find the adjoint of A. Okay, what is the so adjoint of A you have to find. So before that, let us write so what is adjoint of A? Adjoint of A is nothing but the A transpose for the cofactor matrix. What is that? You'd have to change the rows into columns and columns into rows. Okay, that's it. So first column will become first row, second column will become second row, third column will become the third row. Okay, now you got the adjoint. So what is the formula now? The formula for 3 cross 3 or n cross n matrix is A inverse is equal to 1 by determinant of A into adjoint of A. So if I write, so this is the formula for 3 cross 3, 4 cross 4, or n cross n. So if I write it down, so it's nothing but 1 by what was the determinant? It was 1 by 3 into what is adjoint? Just write the matrix down. You can multiply or you can keep it as it is. Okay, I'm keeping it as it is. All right, yes. So this is the invertible. Now there is one more topic called as finding the volume of the how using the determinants find the volume. So there are two things you can do. So if there are 2 cross 2 matrix, then the matrix is called a parallelogram. If it is 3 cross 3, then it will be a parallel piped. So how to find the area or the volume of the parallelogram? Okay, then you will have the area of the parallelogram spanned by the vectors. So it is nothing but determinant of say two vectors b and g. Okay, so volume is equal to nothing but determinant of a. Okay, it is nothing but you're finding the determinant itself, but the notation will be the volume for 2 cross 2 or 3 cross 3. Suppose you have say an example for 2 cross 2. Okay, what is the volume of this? You have to, it is nothing but you are finding the determinant of that vector. So what is that? It is 2 into 4. You're finding the determinant. You will get the answer as 3, right? So how will you write? So what, sorry, 5. So what is the vectors? Vector is 2 1, and what is g here? In case it is 3 and 4. Okay, so if I say volume is nothing but it will be volume is equal to 5 cubic, sorry, square centimeter or cubic centimeter. Okay, all right, it is volume is equal to the determinant of a, which is nothing but 5. Okay, all right, so volume ka you write it down whatever the notation is. Now how will you find for 3 cross 3? Again it is nothing but you're finding the volume itself, sorry, determinant itself. Okay, so the suppose you have a matrix say 2 say 0 minus 8 6 1 0 1 4 minus 1. Now you should have three vectors. So what are the three vectors here? Three vectors are nothing but say RGB. So what is R is nothing but the first column. Okay, first column. What is G? The second column, or it is also called second vector. What is B? The third vector. Okay, now we got what is RGB. Now let us find the volume. What is volume? Volume is nothing but the determinant. We know how to find the determinant, right? So determinant is what? If I calculate, I'll get it as say 186 cubic centimeter. All right, so this is all about finding the volume using the determinant. Don't get confused, you are doing the determinant only, but the logic is that you're finding using the determinant, you're finding the volume. This is the geometric interpretation of how to find the volume using the determinant. All right, so that is all about the determinants. There is one more topic called as Laplace expansion that I'll be taking in the next tutorial.